We all have the potential to develop and to grow much more than we are now. And very often we want to develop. We want to build something, a business, or some lifestyle, or achieve some goals. But why don't we do that? Well, there are few reasons for that. And the main thing is that we don't have a plan. Usually we think it's just enough to have time. But the experience shows that when people get the time they need, they still don't do what they wanted because they don't have a particular plan. They don't have clarity about what they want. And they don't plan it. Even they have the goal, they don't plan it. Practically, like when and how it should be done. And some people don't even get to the point when they have the time. So they just live their life thinking, or if only they had time. But those who come to have the time very often realize that this is not the reason. So no matter how much time you think you have, even if you have half an hour per day for fulfilling your dreams, for going towards your goals, that's enough. That's a lot of time. You just need to plan it. You just need to be organized. You need that discipline to be successful in a way that you get what you want. And here you also have to be very clear about what you want, because there are some typical ideas about success and how it should look like, but here you need to be honest with yourself. You need to really know what you want. I have a separate video about this important topic. Make sure you watch it after you watch this one. But here you really need clarity. It's not something that you can avoid and then 50 years later you realize that you've been going after the goals of other people and not really following your own heart. The second reason why we procrastinate is perfectionism. We don't want to act until we can be as perfect as somebody else. We have some idea how it should look like. We need to let go this fear of making mistakes, because we will make mistakes, and nobody who reached some goals or was successful has done it without mistakes. Mistakes is the necessary, experience to learn and develop. So forget about being perfect. And in my case, it took me really a while before I started this YouTube channel. You know why? Because I was never confident on camera, and still being on camera is kind of uncomfortable for me in most of cases. Even though meanwhile I think I'm pretty confident, but I can't say it's comfortable or something. I just do it because it became a part of my life. And I'm not afraid of making mistakes because I know I'm going to make a lot. So who cares? Just do it. But of course, learn from your mistakes. Don't ignore them. It's important to learn the lesson and not to repeat the same things over again. The next thing why we procrastinate is because we don't set priorities. We try to delay important tasks. We want to do something which is easy, and something which is challenging we want to delay. Well, this approach doesn't work in life in general, and also on the everyday basis. Also, it makes sense if you want to be productive and reach your goals, then it makes sense to first start with a difficult task. You start your day with the most difficult task, and then you continue with other things. And the same in general in life. You don't have to think, okay, important things I have to postpone in 5, 10 or whatever number of years, because the reason is that we don't know how long we are going to live, and it would be a pity just to live your life and not even start doing what you actually wanted to do. And we don't know how much time is left. Nobody knows. So it really makes no sense to delay your happiness this way, because you might never survive till the moment when you think it's time to do it. Everything is impermanent, and it's very good to remember that, because it's just like that, and it's a part of our life. So make sure you start your day with the most challenging task, most interesting task, and the same, you don't procrastinate important things in life. Because now you have the conditions to do it, and later maybe those conditions are gone and never come back. Winners, they don't delay their results. They don't care how young they are, how inexperienced they are. So if you want to win in life, meaning reaching what you want and following your dreams and being independent and free the way you want it to be, then there is no space for procrastination in your life. If you watched that video that far, it means you actually liked it. So give this video a like, leave me a comment if this resonated with you. Also check out my book on personal development. It's on Amazon. The link is in the description below. I hope it can also give you the possibility to, make a new step in your personal development. Otherwise, watch some other videos of mine on business and self-development here. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can meet again next Wednesday. Good luck.